Hello class, my name is Adrian Lomelli. You can call me Mr. Lomelli. Today we're going to be learning about addition and subtraction using base 10 blocks for first grade. So as you can see here, this is the tens column and this is the ones column. And we're going to be solving for 34 plus 20 and 34 minus 20. So for the tens column, we're going to see that 34, we're going to look at the 3, which 3 is in the tens column, and 4 is in the ones column. Same goes for 20. 20, you can see that 2 is in the tens column, and 0 is in the ones column. So for 34, we're going to be using the base 10 blocks. So for 34, we're going to know that 3 is in the 10 column, so we're going to be using 3 10 blocks. So that would be 1, which of 10, as you can count, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. In the 10 block, we'll use another 10 block, which is 2, all equal to 20. And our third block, which would be 3, which would be 30. So we have 3, which is 30, and now we're going to have 4, which is in the ones place. So 4 would be 1, 2, 3, 4. So as you can see, if we were to count all of these together, we would get 34, which would be 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4. And now we're going to solve for 20. So we see for 20, 2 is in the tens column, so we'll need 2 more 10 blocks. So it would be 1, 2. And so 20, 0 is in the ones column, so we don't need no more 1 blocks. So if we were to add all these together, it would be 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, plus 1, 2, 3, 4. We would get 5 tens and 4 ones. 54. Okay, so now for subtraction, we are going to be doing the same thing. As we can see in subtraction, 3 and 4, so it's 34. 3 is in the tens column, and 4 is in the ones column. So if it's 3 in the tens column, we would need 3 10 blocks. So it would be 1, 2, 3. You see that? And then we're going to have to solve for 4. So 4 is in the tens column, and we're going to need 4 blocks. So we're just going to put the blocks right back. So it'll be 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's going to be minus. So minus 2, 0, which would be 20. So 2 is in the tens column. So we would add, so 2 is in the tens column and 0 is in the ones column. So we would know what we have up in the board is that we would need to subtract 2 tens, which would be 1, 2, and we would subtract 0 ones. So we do not subtract any of the ones that are here. So our total answer would be, we would count the 1 tens, which would be 1, and the 4 ones, which would be 4. So we would get 1 tenths and 4 ones, total of 14. So 34 minus 20 would equal to 14. So that's how we solve addition and subtraction using base 10 blocks. Thank you so much for seeing this activity.